Let's have a closer view at this iPhone 15 prop. Here I'll be showing a closer view of this iPhone 15 along with some of the reasons on why I got this. And towards the end of the video, be sure to view all the details of this product. It doesn't have the logo on the back, but it has the image and look of the original with the cameras in the back and also the front face. So it has small details with buttons and also the charger area. What I find pretty impressive with this prop is actually the details of everything that's on here. So when someone were to pick it up, the weight of it is actually the weight of an actual real phone. In addition to the weight of the phone, pretty close to the original, is the actual details of all the buttons, the camera in the detail, also the face. It even has an area for the microphone as well, for your ear. And there's a front camera, which is detail on the front, on the face of the screen. And the actual buttons, they actually function. They actually push in, and the power button, and also the volume buttons. And it also has a little area where it has a simulated SIM slot. It has an area where you can plug in your phone. So it actually works. It actually functions as if it were to be a real charging device, but it doesn't charge. And the actual frame is actually made out of metal. I've actually dropped it by accident and I put a little dent on the corner. So it didn't break, it just dented on the edge. Here are some of the reasons why I got this. This is great for film props, planning jokes with friends, magic tricks, and also this is a great way to protect yourself by using this device as a theft deterrent from people taking your actual phone. Now let's have a closer view of this product up close, right out of the box. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.